Okay, I'm going to do a really brief demonstration on how to do a CO2 extraction. In this case, I'm using the spent hyacinth flowers from an enfleurage because you don't want to put anything too wet or juicy or fresh, because doing so will cause esterification. So I'm going to be using this 190 proof natural cane alcohol, perfumer's alcohol. It's organic. And what I plan on using, I'm going to create this CO2 alcohol extract, and then I'm also going to use the same alcohol extract to create the extract from the enfleurage when it's finished. So what you do is you fill the whippet, or as many as you can. You don't fill it, you just put the flowers in there. And these are wilted. They've been sitting on the enfleurage fat for about 18 hours. So we're going to fill it up. And then, almost there. We're going to take 1 cup of the cane alcohol. Okay, now this is the top of the whippet. Connect it. Make sure it's tight. And then you want to put the dispensing nozzle on. It's pretty open. See? And it goes here with the handle, so you want to press the handle down. It goes on this side. Okay. Yeah. And I'm going to take, in this case I'm going to use 2 seltzer chargers. This is CO2. If you're going to create one of these in oil, I'll drop this in here, you would use an NO2 cartridge. Okay, you'll always know which cartridge you used, as it will feel very cold if you recently used it. So let's try this again. There, that's what you want to hear. This is very minimal. Actually, you don't want to hear it at all, which means the seal still isn't quite there. But you have to get a new part to this. So we're going to leave this in here for a minute or two. Actually, 15 minutes is optimal. This is what you do. You want to shake it around, and then you want to release. Tilt your container up, and you want to release. And I don't think it's showing very well on the camera, but it's slightly pink. So then you'll have just under, I put a cup of alcohol in there, and I have slightly under because some of the material inside is going to hold on to. It's a bit spongy. And it smells ever so slightly of hyacinth. So when I'm finished with the enfleurage and I've used this over and over in the whippet, I will also use this to extract the scent from the pomade. So that gives you extra scent. And that's how you use the whippet.